Heartburn No More is a guide to help you overcome heartburn, for good. This proven drug-free system offers holistic advice, so that you can eliminate symptoms of acid reflux and heartburn. This unique 5-step plan provides natural strategies to overcome all related gastrointestinal issues. Click the link in the description below this video for details. When suffering from heartburn, symptoms can greatly diminish your overall quality of life. Regardless of your age or the severity of your condition, you can achieve optimal results through this comprehensive system. Like you, the author of this book had tried all the conventional medicines, which only masked symptoms. In order to truly experience relief, you need to treat the root cause of your heartburn. Only then will you find a permanent cure, instead of just drug-induced, short-term relief. The information provided in this guide is based on 7 years of research, experimentation, as well as trial and error. You can enjoy an acid reflux-free life, starting with this program. Millions of individuals suffer from acid reflux, heartburn, and related gastrointestinal disorders are looking for true relief, and this guide provides just that. Within this proven and tested step-by-step program, individuals can eliminate their reliance on medications that often agitate associated symptoms. Written by a real heartburn sufferer, Jeff Martin brings his personal story to his readers, offering practical, natural solutions. The best part is, while heartburn sufferers treat associated symptoms, they also support overall optimal health and inner balance. Meaning, this system can make you healthier than ever before. Not a quick fix, this system will not only target problematic symptoms, but also teach sufferers how to address the root cause. It is also the only related program that offers 24 hours of quality email counseling. Created for those that live with all types of heartburn, and all severity levels, this program will help you reclaim control over your health and life. Although Jeff Martin suffered from heartburn for years, he not only offers personal accounts, but also professional advice. For those willing to put in the effort, Jeff has most certainly wrote a life-changing program that includes clinically proven methods. Although scientific in nature, Jeff did an incredible job of breaking down all data and heartburn-related information into a guide that anyone can understand and put into effect. If you're ready to live a heartburn-free life, tackling your condition in a holistic manner, then this 5-step program is for you. Divided into 5 chapters and 4 appendices, it is easy to follow, offering scientifically proven advice throughout. Finding real relief has never been easier, or more affordable. Click the link in the description below this video for details.